My name is Paul Mitchell. I'm the property director for The Alchemist, so I look after all things property, and that's from the acquisition strategy in terms of finding the new sites, the design and build of those sites, and then the facilities management of those. Recent ones we've just done are Edinburgh. We've done quite a few in London over the last sort of 4 or 5 years, and our flagship site, which is Canary Wharf. I think in 2 words, it's theatre served. And that's not just about the cocktails, the food, but it's also around the design. It's an immersive experience, and the music plays a key focus in that.
I'm Richard Murphy, the installations manager at Adlib. We look after the installations for audio, lighting and video. The Alchemist has got 20 sites across the country. We've been involved in the last 12, so we understand what they need as a brand, and they know how we provide and design installation solutions. Throughout the Alchemist sites, we've installed Adlib own brand AA61 loudspeakers and AA12IS subwoofers. It provides excellent audio quality. They need daytime music to be a warm background music with nice levels and coverage across the restaurant. But then in the evening, it ramps up to being at club levels, and our loudspeakers can handle that level of audio as well.
Everything we do needs to be at that sort of excellent level, the food, the drinks, and that quality, and obviously the sound is part of that. Being able to have conversations with guys that are professional, that deliver on time, so that when we're on site, everything flows smoothly, we hand over on time, the operations are happy, and they can just open, and there's no headaches, and that's what I get from Adlib.
What Adlib bring to the Alchemist Group is consistency and getting the installation done on time, on budget.
It's a real big team ethos. It makes my life easier, so that's why we continue to use them.